In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags to ClickFunnels contacts. By the end, you'll know how to set up clear, useful tags and apply them to one or many contacts so you can segment your audience for automations, follow-ups, and reports. First, let's create your tags. From your ClickFunnels account, head to Workspace Settings. In the navigation, open Tags under the Contacts section. Click Add Tag, then type a descriptive name, something meaningful like VIP, Purchased Product A, Webinar Registered, or Trial User. Keep your naming consistent, short, and specific so you can recognize it at a glance later. If you like, choose a color to visually group related tags. Colors are optional, but they can make large lists easier to scan. When you're happy with the name and color, click Create Tag. That's it. Your tag is ready to use. Remember, tags are more than labels. They're the backbone of segmentation. Clear tags make it simple to trigger the right automation, send targeted follow-ups, and pull accurate reports without hunting through messy data. Now, let's apply tags to existing contacts. From your dashboard, go to Customers, then Contacts. Use the search or filter tools to find exactly who you want to tag, by name, email, or any criteria you've set up. When you see the right contacts, check the box next to each one you want to update. If you're tagging several people at once, select multiple checkboxes so you can act on them in bulk. Once selected, click Actions for a single contact or Bulk Actions if you've chosen more than one. Choose Add Tags. In the Tag Picker, select the tag or tags you want to apply. If you already created them in Settings, they'll appear in the list, and you can add more than one if that helps your segmentation. When you're ready, click Add Tags to save your changes. A few quick tips to keep your tagging clean and effective. Plan a simple tagging strategy before you start. Think in terms of lifecycle, product, and engagement, and avoid creating near-duplicate names. Double-check how many contacts are selected before applying tags in bulk, especially if you're filtering a large list. And after tagging, spot-check a contact to confirm the tag appears as expected. With your tags created and applied, you're set up to filter audiences, personalize messaging, and build smarter automations with confidence. Thanks for watching, and happy tagging!